Welcome back to Leaders of Tomorrow. This week we're exploring India's chemical sector. Let's now make our way to the financial capital of Mumbai, a city that has traditionally been well known for its chemical industry. We'll visit a 6-decade-old company that is well known not just for the quality of chemicals that it makes, but also for doing business with a heart. Take a look. The growth of the Indian textile industry post-independence gave rise to many ancillary industries, one of them being chemicals. In 1952, Mahavir Prasad Ghanshyam Das Saraf established a company called Sarex Chemicals to service these textile giants. The company began making liquid dyes for India's cotton textile industry. Today, Mahavir Prasad's 3 sons are shouldering responsibilities and taking the company to newer heights. Sarex Chemicals has clients in 30 prominent countries of the world like USA, Brazil, Argentina, Germany, Switzerland, Poland, Spain, Italy, etc.
We have 2 business units, textile chemicals and fine chemicals. In textile chemicals, we are involved into a lot of dissemination of textile processing knowledge, for which we publish our journals in pre-treatment and cotton pre-treatment manuals, and we publish a lot of applied research papers for work done from our laboratories. In our fine chemicals, we have a toll manufacturing agreement with BASF Germany, for which we are making a plant dedicated specially for them, making UV absorbers, intermediates.
Under the dynamic leadership of the 3 Saraf brothers, Sarex Chemicals is today manufacturing a host of organic chemicals for various industries like textiles, pharmaceuticals, plastic and coating additives. Its business principle is providing solutions to customers rather than just products.
We are having the people of average age of 30 to 40 years, and person who joins us, he doesn't want to go away from this, because we have created a culture over a period so that people wants to remain with us.
The company boasts of a modern infrastructure facility with the latest machinery for manufacturing the best quality products at a fair price point. There is constant innovation at Sarex, for instance creating chemicals that add to the finish of textiles. In fact, it's the only company in India to possess a Marks & Spencer accredited laboratory. This enables the company to carry out various sophisticated reactions in its labs with great ease. The manufacturing plant has also received various quality certifications like ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 18001. Welcome to the show, sir. Tell us, how and when did the idea of Sarex Chemicals happen? When was the company established?
The company began in 1952, 60 years ago, by my father, Mr. Mahavir Prasad Saraf. At that time, he wanted to service the golden era of the cotton textile industry.
So what's the USP of Sarex Chemicals? What makes it different from its competitors?
I think the USP what Sarex employs is basically, instead of selling products, we tend to provide solutions to customers.
And are you into domestic sales or are you into exports as well?
In fact, we are more export oriented than local. In fact, our bigger share today of our market is in exports.
What are your future plans for the company? Where do you want to see it in the next couple of years?
See, our biggest goal at Sarex is to make Sarex an Indian multinational.
What are the sort of steps that you take to ensure your quality standards?
I think what we've done is, on the application side, we've installed all the latest high technology equipments. Our Marks & Spencer laboratory has a number of these testing facilities. We can test all the kind of issues which come up. In fact, at our laboratory we have an infrared from Shimatsu, Japan, which is a very sophisticated equipment which gives you any kind of variance from your existing production facility. Even if there is a slight variance, it would be brought up. So we follow very, very stringent norms as far as testing is concerned.
Thank you so much for joining us. Sarex Chemicals has not only established itself as one of the leading companies exporting chemicals to various countries, but has also set a benchmark in corporate social responsibility. The company runs various trusts that are working for a number of social causes like healthcare, child welfare, women's welfare, etc. And now Sarex Chemicals plans to spread its wings and establish itself as an Indian multinational with offices across the world. Indeed, Indian SMEs are today realizing their global dreams with great elan. Our next story is of a company that's doing exactly that with its dynamic leadership and a wide range of specialty chemicals.